So if you're looking to get a dashcam around the price bracket of 2,500 to 3,000 rupees, I think you should take a look at the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X. Well, for starters, this camera comes under the super low budget range but offers features which are kind of much more premium considering the price range this comes at. Starting off with the fact that this gets you a 1 TB storage space support, which means you can buy a 1 TB SD card and probably you will never have to worry about the videos getting deleted for the longest duration of time. This camera gets a super capacitor, so no battery inside, so you can be assured that even when the car is parked outside in direct sunlight, there is minimal to nil chance of any electrical issue happening. Thirdly, you can know that this camera gets a Wi-Fi connection, so you can connect this dash cam to your smartphone and take a look at the videos, alter its settings. Do whatever you want just by connecting Wi-Fi to your smartphone. Fourthly, this camera is 360-degree rotatable, which means you can rotate the camera towards the cabin and even record the cabin of the car if that's what you want. This camera also gets a 3 megapixel 1296p resolution, so that's kind of slightly better than a full HD resolution. So you can be assured that for the money you're paying, you're getting the best possible video quality. This camera also gets close to 120 to 130 degree field of view, so that means it can cover most of the area right in front of the lens. So you can be assured that this camera has enough area of coverage to cover most activities that are happening right in front of the car. This camera also gets a built-in mic, which means you can also record audio along with your video recording. Additionally, this camera also gets a G sensor, which means you can also record emergency videos, also record abnormal vibrations in the car whenever there is an impact based on the G sensor sensitivity. Lastly, you do get a Qubo app control, which is seamless, easy to connect and pretty much user-friendly for first-time users. So I've made a super detailed review video of the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X covering most of the aspects, including the unboxing and the video quality and the number plate readability. If you're interested in taking a look at the full review, you'll find the link to that video in the description. But that being said, I do consider under the price bracket of, or should I say around the price bracket of 3,000 rupees, you probably won't find a better camera which gives you so many features bundled into one. This is a terrific value for money investment. And if you do have a maximum budget of 3,000 rupees for your next, or should I say the first dashcam, I don't think you should look beyond the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X. That being said, if you are interested in purchasing this dashcam, just click down on the description. I've given you the purchase link right there. Go ahead and grab it before somebody else does. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, before you move on to the next video, make sure to hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some budget dash cams. See you in the next one.